In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel a product or plan in Monday.com. If you need to stop a subscription or remove a plan from your Monday.com account, the process is fairly straightforward once you know where to look. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through each part of the process clearly so you can complete it without confusion. To begin, log into your Monday.com account. Make sure you're signing into the correct workspace or account where the active billing subscription is managed. This is important, especially if you have access to more than one account, because billing changes need to be made from the right place. Once you're logged in, look to the top area of the screen and click on your profile picture. This will open the account menu where you'll find several options related to your personal settings and account management. From that menu, go to Administration. This section is typically where account level controls are stored, including permissions, workspace settings, and billing related options. If you don't see Administration, it may mean your user role does not have admin access. So you may need to sign in with an account that has the proper permissions. After entering Administration, open the Billing section. This is where Monday.com displays your current subscription details, product information, and plan management options. Take a moment here to review the listed products or services so you can make sure you're selecting the correct one before canceling anything. Next, find the product or plan you want to cancel. If your account includes multiple products, plans, or service tiers, it's a good idea to double check the name of the one you intend to remove. This can help prevent canceling the wrong subscription by mistake. When you've found the correct product, click the three-dot menu next to it. This menu usually contains additional actions related to that specific item. From the list of options, choose Cancel Product. At this point, Monday.com will ask you to confirm the cancellation. Read the confirmation message carefully so you understand what will happen next, including any impact on access, billing, or renewal. If everything looks correct, go ahead and confirm the cancellation, and that's it. Once confirmed, your cancellation request will be processed. It's a good idea to check for any confirmation message on screen or any follow-up email confirming the change for your records. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.